My next experiment is to silkscreen this small bisque tile. But first, I wonder, what could go wrong? Okay, I silkscreened a simple graphic on the 4-inch tile using Mako's Wonder Glaze. Now to fire it up. Well, that was predictable. The tile cracked, obviously. Too much thermal shock. I'll break up the tile, fire the smaller pieces, and then put it back together again. It should create an interesting mosaic pattern. Here's what the fired pieces look like next to the unfired piece to the right. It's hard to tell from the video, but the fired pieces have a shiny surface, whereas the unfired piece remains dull. As you can see, the fired pieces are also waterproof. Unfired Mako Wonder Glaze will wash away in water, even after fully dried. Hey, nice effect. In upcoming videos, I'll try again to fire 2-inch square glass tiles and a small bisque tile. Then I'll make a complete project using the techniques I've tried so far with the Fuseworks microwave kiln.